Hello, my dear friends. So, today we are going to learn about some naming conventions, object, class, method, constructor, and last but the not least, this keyword. Okay, let's start with naming conventions. This is not some serious topic. This is very easy to understand, just for your knowledge and nothing much. Here you can see the name of class start with capital letters. Okay, and the name of object start with small letters. For example, if you will make some object, like here I am saying object, but after making the method you must make this round bracket. Okay, now let's see objects. So object have some every object have some state and behavior. Okay, and you can define it like anything having a state and behavior is known as object. And examples are like real world entities. Okay, real world entities like car, ball, table, chair. uh, I'll give you some example after a few minutes. And object are used to represent something like data or value, anything. They used to represent something, remember it. And regarding behavior, regarding regarding behavior, it tells us that what type of functionality it is going to perform, what type of functionality that object is going to perform in this program. The object says us this. And the main point is it is instance of class, and class is blueprint from which object is created. For example, if there is some civil engineer and they make a uh, they make a drawing of a house, and using that drawing, laborers used to make a home. So that drawing is a blueprint, and from that blueprint we are making a house. So what we said, that object is a real world entity. So here that house that made that house which laborers made are the object, and that drawing is a class. So class is a blueprint, and using that blueprint we made an object. You understand? And this is the reason we say object as a real world entity. And if you were wondering that how to make object, let me show you here. I think you know that, but let's make it one. Okay, this is a class, and inside this class I'll make a object base. Fine, let me remove this. And now we say like, this is the way to make an object. Okay, first write the class name, then how you want to access it. Use any name, whatever you want to type here, but I will use um, h equals to write new. This will allocate a memory in heap for this class. Okay, new hello. Why we write this? Okay, this is why we write this. Why we write this one. According to me, this makes a constructor it does not matter you make here or not, but this will make a constructor. But let me show you what is constructor. I don't think you know that or not. Okay, constructor is made with the name of class. The class name and the constructor name is same, and constructor don't have any return type. You can write, but it does not have return type. It it get auto initiated when you make object of any class. But here I am writing, and here I am saying please return something constructor. All right. So how to call object? Don't say this. Don't say this right now. Just look at this here. How we call object? How we call method using objects? Here we made an object using this h. We are going to access everything inside this class. So if we will say like h dot, look, we got a recommendation base. So if we will write this and we will run the program, we can get the output hello user. But what is this? I don't say that please give me this print statement. But as I say you right now, constructor get auto initialized when we make object of the class. And if we will remove this, then we are not getting anything. But inside the program, this constructor is made inside the program. But there is not any print statement, so don't worry about that. And if we have any program where we need to auto initialize some value, or we want to send some value from here, for example 67. If we want to send any value at the beginning of this program, then we can do this, and this help us in many ways. For example, here is any value like hg. Now we are saying hg equals to I, and now if you will print this hg, you can get that value. Look, you understand? So these are the simple definition of object. Now let's move to class. So class is, as I said right now, class is blueprint from which object are created, and the class contain method, block, constructor, field, nested class, and interface. This thing class contain inside that, like here there is a class, and inside class we have this main method, okay, and we have constructor. Two things we got here right now, and we got variables also, right? And we can we can extend, no, not now. You will get confused. Okay, these are the simple detail of class, and after class we are going to know about new keyword. Okay, huh. Look, what if there will be I? Let me remove this one. Yeah, what if here is also I and here is also I? and we want to get the value of I, which is here. We want to fetch the value of that I here, and if we will run this program, we will get 0. And now I'm saying that this is this I, okay? Inside this I, give me the value which is coming, but but when we run this program, we are not getting anything. Okay, but how? This is the main question. So what we need to do, we need to say this I is global variable. Global variable are the variable which exist inside the class for everything. Inside the class for everything means for method, block, or constructor, whatever there are inside the class for everything. So here this int I is like a global variable. So to specify this, we use this keyword. This keyword refers to the class object. Yes, this will be the perfect answer. It refers to the class object. Okay. So now if we will run this program, we get 67. Okay. That's it. For now, just understand this only. This refers to the current object of the class or current global variable of the class. This can also be true. And after this keyword, the one more thing you need to know is this new. So new keyword is used to allocate memory at runtime. And and one more important thing is all object get memory in heap memory area. Okay, all the object. Like we created this one object, this get memory inside heap memory. What if we will make two object? Nothing will happen. H equals to new hello. Nothing will happen. Look, you will be thinking like why this does not get executed. So this made a constructor, and uh, he took 67 from this place and he took here and he assigned to this I. Let's try everything. Right. So here we can get 5, but mm, we are getting constructor only one time. So if you will make object of a class inside a package, if you will make any object, it will be made only once. You cannot make you cannot initialize two default constructor inside any class. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. And you can check out my other videos also on my channel. Right now I have just 28 subscribers, so please subscribe my channel too, so that I can improve myself and I can get more motivation to stay here and continue my work. Thank you so much.